Wow, you're still here. Welcome back to the Chinese course on TELIC. I'm Yao Songmei. Hope you have a great day. Let's do a quick review as usual. Last time we learned 的 的 呢 了. What are we going to learn today? Yes, we're learning 歌 科 呵. When you pronounce the three initials, you should pull your tongue back, raise up the root of your tongue, push against the soft palate. Follow me to read. 歌 科 呵. So they are the initials names as well. The first one, 歌, it sounds like g in English phonetic. Let's try to read with finals. 嘎 歌 gu. Easy, right? Let's try again. 嘎 歌 gu. Very good. The second one is 科. It sounds like phonetic k. Also, let's read the syllables below. 咔 科 ku. One more time. 咔 科 ku. When you pronounce ge and ke, your tongue position is the same. Just when we remove the obstacles between the root of your tongue and the soft palate, there's more air out when we pronounce ke. The last one for today is he, which the pronunciation sounds like h in English word high. When you pronounce this initial, you feel more relaxed than when you pronounce g and k because there's no obstacle. Let's try these syllables. Ha, he, hu. Good job. So let's try it one more time. Ha, he, hu. I think all of you did a very good job today. Remember to practice all what we have learned. 6 simple finals and 11 initials. And we will learn more later. Today's quiz for you. See you soon!